Massey Ferguson 4700 Global Series owners, there's a new feature you can add to your tractor. We just did it to this tractor here. It's the new 3-point hitch quadrant controls like the larger 5700 and 6700 Global Series. Now you've got up, down, lower control where you don't have to wake the tractor up by sliding the quadrant like before. And it also gives you the controls for height of raise, speed of fall, and your draft control. And it also has quick, basically soft drive for the 3-point hitch. We're going to fire this tractor up here real quick. To wake the 3-point control up now, you do an up, down, up, and your 3-point hitch is going to raise or lower based on. Now you can see it going down. We had the quadrant lever in the wrong position. To come up, now you just raise it, and you're going to raise to whatever height you have set up here. So if you don't want maximum to raise it all the way up, you can do that. Go down, it'll go down. As we're seeing here, it goes down. It's going to go down to wherever you preset the quadrant, and you've got your lock button, so you can come to here, so you can set it to only go to that position like we've set there. It'll go lower because we go down, but when you hit the up button, it's only going to come up to the position you set here. You want to go higher? See, I start raising this, changing this button here will change. You can see that the 3-point hitch keeps coming up. Feature that's available if you have what we call the Tech Connect tractor, and it's going to be based on your serial number. Your dealer will need to install this because we have to reprogram the tractor and flash new software to add this feature. Available for the 4700 Global Series. If you're tired of having to wake up the tractor from here, you can now use it just like this. This customer actually owns two 6713s. Now both tractors are going to operate exactly the same as his 5700 or 6700 Global Series tractors. This is the same system you use here with what we call the 3-button control. Add it to your tractor. Visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. It's another feature to get more out of your Massey Ferguson. Get more, do more, get you a Massey Ferguson. More features, better performance, better reliability. Get one today at Vahrenberg Implement.